Hey beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here behind the camera, just showing y'all the bathroom right now. This is our outdated bathroom built in 1950s, okay? This is what we have going on. This area here was cut out because we had some plumbing issues. That's been fixed, and instead of getting this retiled and all of that, we have decided to get kind of a prefabricated setup going on. So this is what it looks like right now, starting this process. And unfortunately for us, the update may not be until a couple months later because the company that we're going with is so backlogged. I mean, everybody is backlogged these days, which is not unusual, but I'm so frustrated with that. But this is what it looks like right now. We're getting new fixtures in here. We're getting a new shower curtain rod. This entire wall will change colors, and I can't wait to update y'all. So stay tuned for the update, and thanks for watching.